So what do you do when your daughter calls you and tells you she's away at college and she dropped her laptop computer and now it's not working? Well, you analyze the situation, you count to 10, breathe deeply, and then you decide, can I fix it or not? That's the goal today. What I'm going to attempt to do is a repair I've never made before. This is kind of a big one. Way out of my league. I'm going to try to change the screen on this laptop computer. Let's see how it goes. Tip number 1, have sufficient lighting. I don't really in the room, but I'm making up for it with my LED flashlight that was a gift from my family. Okay. I think there's little covers here that cover the screws that have to pop out. So that's step number 1. All right. Let's see, is there a screw in there? Oh, there it is. It's just got tape over it. All right, that's good. Eureka. I didn't expect to find that. One of the most important steps as you get older is to wear magnifying glasses. Now I'm all set. Let me see. Oh, there it is right there. Phillips head screw number 1. Piece of tape over here. And there it is. Right there. Phillips head number 2. So a lot of people might give up already. Next step, small Phillips head screwdriver. Let's see if it works. Oh, no problem, no problem. Number 1, always set your screws where you can find them. I've learned that over the years because it's much better to use the original screws than duct tape to put this stuff together. Okay. Screw number 2. Now, how did I know what screen to order? Simply got the model number of the computer and ordered a screen. This is what blew me away. A new laptop would probably cost about $600. This screen, if somehow we pull this off, this only costs $56. Okay, set that over here. I'm going to put the screws up here at 11 o'clock. No, at 1 o'clock. Remember, screws are at 1 o'clock. All right, this baby is supposed to snap off. Snap off. Let's see. Now you got to just take your time and investigate. Let's see if it's slotted over here. All right. Well, let's see. Oh, I got the screwdriver behind it. Okay, that's good news. Oh, she's snapping. Be careful. Work your way around. Snap. Now, there's no guarantee it will snap back on, but the fact that it's snapping off is making me feel very confident. Okay. Snap. 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 Snap, snap. 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 Now, if something goes wrong, you'll notice a difference in my voice. I'll go, oh, snap. Oh, that could have been an oh, snap moment. There, snap. Oh, okay, it's a little tight here, but we won't get discouraged. Okay, let's take the light over here and see what is going on. Oh, all right, there's something a little different right there. There's some kind of thingy-majiggy right there that's textured. All right, we'll just slide it in behind there and take our time. Again, it would be better to have good permanent lighting, but that would take preparation and planning, which I don't feel like doing this morning. I just want to get it done. All right, here we go. Snap. Snap. Okay. All right, good, good. Now, what happens down here? I'm not really sure. All right, that has me a little worried right there. Let's see. My wife Judy always gets a little worried when I go, I took just a brief moment to refer to the YouTube video to make sure I was not going to break this thing. This thing, by the way, is called a bezel, which I didn't know that. So we're going to try to remove the bezel according to the video. Let's see what happens right now. Okay, right here. I just got to do it. I just got to do it. Come on, snap off there, buddy. Come on, buddy. Not snapping. Not snapping. Come on, bezel. Faux sizzle, my bezel. What's going on here? Oh, made some noise there. Oh snap, oh snap. Oh snap. There we go. I think we got it. Oh, maybe that's right. Maybe that's right. Oh, very, very good. Very good. I don't know if I'll be able to get it back on, but hey, that's for a future broadcast, right? All right, there's the bezel. We're going to set it aside. And now the screen is simply held on by 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do now is take a look at the screen that we ordered. It's packaged very nicely. I'm going to try not to touch it and make sure I would have it facing the right way so that when I go to put it on, we won't have any issues. Now, are there any clues as to which way to face it? Yeah, probably so, because there's these cutouts here.
And there's a sticker.
Let's just see if it even is going to fit. Oh. I think so. I think so. We'll just continue to proceed ahead. Now keep in mind that I'm changing a screen on a laptop computer. This is pretty impressive, if I have to say so myself. Okay, screw number 1. Now there's a connector I have to be super careful with. Screw number 1. Here comes screw number 2. Now you can remove these screws in any order because it doesn't matter. Alright, screw number 2. This is really amazing technology right here. Alright, screw number 3 and screw number 4. In the past, when I've done jobs like these, I have knocked screws off the table and had to search for them for hours. 4 screws. We're going to put them up here in the noon position. Noon, 1 o'clock. All right, that should do it. Now we're going to carefully remove the screen. Now here's where we got to be careful, because there's a connector right down at the bottom. Right there. Let me get the light. Right there. That's where it all happens, right there. So we're going to carefully pull that baby out. Super careful. This is it right here. If this goes wrong, we junk the laptop. It's not pulling out. So what I will do, because this is such a critical stage, is I will pause the video and refer to my YouTube video again. Okay, the suggestion in the video is to lay this flat down like that and to remove tape. Is that tape? Oh, it's hard to tell. Let's take a look. What do you guys think? Can't tell what's going on. It's very delicate. Very.
Oh, I see tape.
You see tape? Oh, here's clear tape right here. Yep. Yeah. Got the tape. Okay. Let's get this off of here. Like, this is probably...
Do you need me to do this part?
I got it. This is probably like computer tape or something. Whatever that. Oh, here it comes right here. Oh. There you go. Oh, very nerve-wracking. All right, so that's the key situation. All right, so That's the clear tape. That's the connector. I have to be super careful.
You can leave that on
with it.
there.
Oh, yeah. All right, so this baby here I'm going to set aside right over here. You've served us well for about a year until you were dropped by my daughter at college. Goodbye. Okay. Now, this one here goes which way? Very good. Very good. All right, I might have it upside down because the little connector thing is not there. Where's the little connector thing? There she blows. Okay. How did that thing connect in there even? Let's see. Examine it again. Does it look the same? Yeah. Okay, this is the moment right here. This makes me a little bit nervous. This was tested, and they said it's okay. So if it doesn't work, I can't say it was a manufacturer's defect. Okay, this is
Two
like
hands, it said.
super.
It said to use 2 hands
Use 2 hands.
to put that in.
I'm trying. Now, my fingers are pretty big.
Yeah.
So I might have you do this.
Me?
Yeah. I mean, if it breaks, I don't want to be responsible. Okay, I might take that tape off. I think it's getting in the way. Oh, wait. Oh, I might. Oh, I'm so close to having it here. It's the tape. The tape is in the way. Now, keep in mind, it was my wife, Judy, that said leave that tape on there. All right, come on, baby. This has kind of got to go in there. Do not twist it. Just go in there because it's the right thing. Maybe. Oh, snap. Gosh, I think that's it. I'm going to tape that baby up right there. Right there. Smooth out the edges of the tape so they're smooth. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is gently stand this baby up. All right. And I think I can kind of test it out. Please remove screen film before installing bezel. Do not press too hard. Install front bezel. Okay, where's the power on this laptop?
It's on the right.
We should see if this works now.
It's on the, it's on the
Power.
button.
Oh, yeah, right there it is.
On the
Yeah,
right.
well, you know, I'm an expert at changing screens, not turning them on. Okay. Come on, baby. Uno, dos, tres. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go. It was hopeful. Something appeared on the screen just a moment ago, but now we've got nothing. What the heck? Did you see something on there just a second ago?
I did.
This could be, I don't know, the flux capacitor?
Could be a disaster.
This is super depressing right now. Like, come on! Clearly we saw an image on there.
Maybe it just takes time.
Yeah. Oh, wait. I hear something buzzing. Oh, that's the ice maker in the kitchen. Doggone it, come on! I saw something on there. That is not good. That is not good. Okay, now, I turned it off, I turned it back on, and now it's doing that. Yeah! It looks better than before. Alright. Wait a minute.
Okay.
If I'm going to start my own series of fix it videos, I can't get that excited with one repair. So keep in mind that fixing a laptop is like making any other repair. All you have to do is carefully follow step-by-step instructions, and you can do the job. Rather than paying the professionals, just do it yourself. This is Len, and join me next time for another Fix It video. I'll be putting this back together now.